Right, hi everybody. Sorry I've been away for a while, but not to worry. I'll try and catch up on some of the bits and bobs that have turned up in the meantime. Anyhow, today's Saturday and a trip to Wimbledon Bootsale brought in a few bits and pieces. Namely, 2 neon lamps. 2 which I haven't got, well I have now, but at the time I hadn't. And they look identical. Well, they are obviously the same type of lamp. One's made by Osglim and the other's made by Mazda. We'll have a closer look at the Mazda one. You see it on there, Mazda BTH, which is British Thompson Houston Company, which was the English side of the American GE. Patent. I must admit my eyes are not as good as they used to be, so we'll see if that turns out better when it's on the thing. On the other side we've got a little thing as well. Hopefully that should turn up a little bit better when it's printed out. Have a look at the innards. Quite thick electrodes. I would say it's never been used. The Air Ministry, which was used during the wartime, so they're obviously wartime lamps. Subtle differences between the two actual manufacturers. This one I'm picking up is by the Osglim company, which I'm sure it says Osglim on there somewhere. I'll bring this up. It's very difficult to see the etch, and of course the other lights above it doesn't help. Makes it a bit difficult. Anyway, what it actually says is Osglim looks like made in England, GEC, and on it has got the little Air Ministry sign, which doesn't show up very well. I apologise about that, but what it is, it's an A and an M with the crown between the two, and so these are both from the wartime. It's a small Edison screw. The caps in both cases are subtly different. Initially I thought they were the same lamp made by the same company, but they're not. And I'd even say I don't think they're even made in the same factory, because sometimes makers would make other people's lamps. But anyhow, there we are. I'll show them lighting up. The one we're looking at now is the Osglim. Once again, heavy electrodes, beautifully made. And when you think that bulb is possibly older than me, it's quite a thought. I don't think there's any resistors in the base, so this one would have to be run using a resistor. If not, if you just screwed it straight in to the mains voltage, it would go bang, and there'd be loads of glass everywhere and the bulb would have gone. Anyhow, let's show you them alight. I'm running these through a normal lamp, so that way I can light them up. There we are. It's running a little bit over bright. The other lamp you can see is just glowing. I'll put the other one on. There's plenty of brightness inside the tube, but not on the outside. And funnily enough, the other lamp lights up a bit brighter as well, so there looks like there is a variation between the two, but doing it this way you won't overrun them, and I'm not going to keep it on too long. So there we are, the two lamps. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Any questions please ask, and I'll pop another one on. Thank you for watching. Thank you.